Pak, mau mana Pak?
Oh, itikaf. Itikaf. Barang siapa yang beritikaf di jalan Allah satu malam, Allah jauhkan dari neraka satu parit. Satu parit itu jaraknya antara langit dan bumi. Panas ya api neraka ini. But when you use
Ngopi dulu, ngopi.
ngopi about your condition in this world and hereafter, in judgment day, because we are only temporary in this world,
Yes.
not forever.
Trim your beard a little bit. Make it neat.
Need.
Neat.
This is very secret here in our bed.
Hah?
When you have get a problem in your stomach, just lick it. There is some kind of medicine here. You believe it or not, this depend on you. But I proved it many times. So many times I will put it when I get problem in my stomach. That's it. Problem solved.
No, I don't mean to cut it off, no.
No,
But trim a little bit. Trim this. Itu kan nggak rata gitu kan? Bikin rata, cuy.
sometimes there is a problem in my bed.
Oh, gitu kalau gitu
fall
ya.
down, fall down.
Fall down.
Fall down.
Sungguh gue.
One by one fall down.
So it's not freezing ya.
But your bed is very many.
Lumayan.
That is very big bed.
Oke. Kayaknya cukup dulu ya. GoPro
GoPro, stop
stop
recording.
recording.